What's up, folks? Here, take a listen to this.
You gave false information on a fixed frame screen. First things first, fixed frame screens, the material is made out of a soft PVC material, which is designed to stretch around the frame, where unlike when you have a motorized projection screen, it's a much more stiffer PVC. So if you basically paint this PVC, it basically reduces the ability to be able to allow the screen to stretch over to a frame. Do you have any idea how impossible it is to pretty much get those things locked in without paint? And then you're going to turn around when you paint it, you're going to request somebody to remove this out of a spring support system and try to re-stretch this thing back into a frame after painting it maybe 1 or 2 times? But your case is 4 times? Oh, heck no, you would never get that thing back in there. And try to give me knowledge at the end of the day like I don't know anything? Please. I could wrap circles around you all day.
See, you could see just how wrong this jackass is, right? All he knows is paint. And the paint that he deals with is all just, when it dries, it becomes rigid, it becomes stiff, and that's what he knows. He cannot wrap his mind around how Partey products work, what they consist of, anything like that. But he comes out and definitively states that he does. And that he knows, but you see for yourself there that screen is still just as supple, still as flexible as it was the day that I got it. And that's an IKEA screen frame, okay? So owned by Elite. But you can see that was the supple, soft PVC, flexible, stretchy, and it's still just as stretchy as it was. Bar went into the center like butter. So all worked. No issues, stretched easily to the frame. And that's the beauty of Partey stuff, is that it's still flexible and has a degree of memory. It wants to pull back. You'll see from where I put my fingers, the only thing that was left there whenever it finally flattened back out was just fingerprints. So I had to go back and wipe the screen to get fingerprints off. But that's it. And yet, he loves to come out with these fake smear videos. And you can see from a very simple demonstration, he has no clue what he's talking about. We'll leave it there for right now. See you guys soon. Bye.